If you think AI is just for chatting, these 10 practical, but weird, GPT-5 prompts will change your mind. Ready? Today, we're stress testing GPT-5 with 10 prompts that are actually useful in real life. Content, fitness, study plans, travel, Instagram growth, and even building a phone-only business. Some requests will sound odd, but the outputs are shockingly usable. Important note: always verify AI outputs, especially numbers, legal, medical, or financial details. For each prompt, I'll give you copy-paste text, a desired output structure, and pro tips to make GPT-5 produce clean, ready-to-use results. Prompt 1. 30-day Instagram plan for a tiny cafe. Create a 30-day Instagram content plan for a tiny local cafe with an almost zero budget. Columns: date, post idea, suggested caption, hashtags, CTA, content type, reel, story, and post. Recommended posting time. Audience: 18 to 30. Tone: friendly, cheerful. Output as a markdown table and provide a CSV version. Goal: more sales or engagement for a local cafe on a near zero budget. Pro tip: ask GPT-5 to add 3 evergreen reels per week for compounding reach. Prompt 2. 7-day microwave. Only meal plan. Design a 7-day meal plan that can be made using only a microwave. Columns: meal, prep time, affordable ingredients, approx calories, protein, safety tips. Constraints: low cost, widely available ingredients. Output: markdown table, plus weekly shopping list. Goal: fast, cheap-ish, practical eating with limited tools. Pro tip: request substitutes for dietary needs. Veg, daches, gluten-free. Prompt 3. Learn English in 3 months, 15 minutes. Day, build a 3-month English learning plan for someone with only 15 minutes per day. Daily structure, topic, short listening, OSH reading, speaking task, 5 words of the day, 1 sentence pattern, free resources, name plus description. Output: weekly calendar plus CSV flashcards of all vocabulary. Goal: micro-learning routine with real progress. Pro tip: ask for spaced repetition review markers on days 3, 7, 14. Prompt 4. Exam study. Calendar with only 1 or hours a day. Create a competitive exam study calendar with only 2 hours per day. Structure. Day, subject, goal. Resource, suggestion, your 10-question, quiz, spaced repetition review. Focus on high-frequency topics. Output. Markdown schedule. 10 multiple-choice sample questions with answer key. Goal, high-impact studying with limited time. Pro tip, ask for difficulty tags. Easy, med, hard, per topic. Prompt. Phone only, zero budget online business. Propose 3 online business ideas executable with only a smartphone and zero upfront budget. For each, 1-paragraph description, day-by-day plan for the first 14 days, risks, KPIs, and success metrics. Provide ready-to-send outreach DM templates. Goal, start something real with just a smartphone. Pro tip, ask for weekly KPI dashboards you can paste into Notion sheets. Prompt 6. 7-day sales. Sprint for a women's clothing IG shop. Build a 7-day sales sprint for a women's clothing Instagram shop. Include daily offer, engagement story, poll quiz, real concept, persuasive caption, CTA, smart discount code, and canned DM replies to objections. Size, price, shipping. Add recommended post times based on best practices. Goal. Rapid sales bump using content. Plus DMs, plus small promos. Pro tip. Request 3 UGC prompts to gather customer photos. Prompt 7. Low-budget international travel checklist. Create a low-budget international travel checklist. Essential documents, insurance, daily budgeting, cheap stays, city transport, safety, and cost-cutting tricks. Output 2 versions, minimal and extended. Present as a markdown checkbox list suitable for printing, ARC screenshots. Goal, smoother trips with fewer surprises. Pro tip, ask for rain plan, strike plan, delays plan, mini sections. Prompt 8. 20 YouTube ideas for a home cooking channel. Give 20 YouTube video ideas for a home cooking channel. For each, clickable title, 1 to 2 line description, 6 to 8 hashtags, and a 5-second opening hook line. Then build a 4-week publishing calendar. Goal, endless content pipeline with hooks that retain viewers. Pro tip, ask for shorts. Variations for each long-form idea. Prompt 9. Design a 4-week at-home fat loss workout plan with no equipment. Include day, moves, reps, a time, intensity, warm-up and cool-down, safety notes, and separate beginner versus intermediate tracks. Provide brief written instructions for each move. Goal, simple routine you can actually follow. Pro tip, ask for 10-minute emergency session for busy days. 10. Create a 30-day strategy to grow real followers on Instagram with no paid ads. Include content calendar, partner page collab system, DM outreach templates, a custom challenge, hashtag idea, a caption formula, and KPIs to track. Provide a Notion Sheets-ready table layout. Goal: real followers through systems, not shortcuts. Pro tip: ask GPT-5 to add weekly audit checkpoints and fix underperformers. Each prompt was a bit weird, but fully practical. Which prompt did you like most? Drop it in the comments and I'll turn it into a full build video. If this helped, like, subscribe, and ring the bell.